Brian the Lion back again, and today I'm going to teach you one of my favorite margaritas to make. I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon margarita. Okay guys, to make a watermelon margarita, first we're going to take a blender. This is something that you commonly have at home. We're going to take your favorite tequila. Mine is Hornitos. Just a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by Hornitos. But Hornitos, if you're watching, please send me a bottle. I'm going to just put ice just to show you the interesting texture that ice creates when you blend it with alcohol and watermelon. So let's just take some couple pieces. And everything you could just buy just on your supermarket. Alright. You're going to take a couple pieces. No more than half a pound of watermelon. Pretty easy. Then the most important thing is, ooh, I love the sound of that. Let's do that. Let's do that one more time. Let's do that one more time. Ready? Oh, I love that sound. All right. So you're gonna pour only one shot and only one shot only of the finest 100% blue Allegra. Pour the shot in your blender. And there you guys have it, watermelon margarita. Ooh, couple of these, and I'm good to go. Happy Thirsty Thursday, guys. Thanks for tuning in.